Hello all, welcome to Tech Capture. So in our last video, we discussed what is organization policy and when we should use organization policy, what are the different access required to create organization policy, and now we'll see what are some commonly used organization policy and we'll start working on the organization policies with our hands-on demo. So first we'll work on our first organization policy that is the most commonly used in a production environment. So that is a disabled service account key creation. So whenever we create a service account, then we have by default a service account key creation enabled, so we can download a service account keys and used for the authentication, but that is not a recommended as a best security practice. So if you want as an organization security administrator, you can just disable service account key creation, so it will just save you from the security risk. So now we'll go to Google Cloud Console and we'll see how we can create organization policy to disable a service account key creation. I'm in my Google Cloud Console now and I'm in my ttdev02 project. So if I show you, so this project is under my organization node, so I have organization resource here, but as I said, we cannot create the organization policy on the personal project which we created using the Gmail, or these are under no organization. We cannot work or we cannot create organization policy. Now let me show you that. So suppose if I created any free trial account, then it will be created under a no organization resource. Okay, and if I go to any of this project and try to show you how we can work with organization policy, or is it possible to work with organization policy, so simply go with the IAM section. Okay, and let's go to the organization policy. Now you can see organization policies here. Okay, so you can see all these organization policy which are active, which are not active. But suppose if I want to create any of the organization policy, I'll just go on disable service account key creation. So it will say you need to select a resource under organization to manage a policies. So it is not possible to create organization policies, or this feature is not available for the single standalone project or the project without organizations. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll just go to the my organization and I will choose a project within my organization. So this is my organization, and within my organization I am having multiple projects like labs folder, prod folder, R&D folder, shared folder, and within my folder I'm having multiple projects. So in R&D I have a 2 development project, so I'll go in one of the dev projects. So I am into a dev02. Now you can see you have option here to work with the policies. Okay, now let's see. First I will go with the this organization policy, disable service account key upload or key creation. I'll go with the key creation. Okay, I'll just open one more tab here, and just to show you difference before creating the organization policy and after creating the organization policy. Now let me first go to the service account. Okay, and what I will do, I will just show you first before creating the organization policy. So simply I will create one service account. Okay, I'll just give the name as organization policy demo, op demo, create and continue, and simply done. Okay, so now I have created one op demo service account. If I click on this service account, okay, I go to keys. Now it says service account key could pose security risk. If compromised, we recommend to avoid downloading a service account key. But in most of the cases, if you're working with the third-party CI/CD tools, and in most of the cases you can download a key and use that for authentication. So here you can simply click on add key, create new key, JSON format, create, and you download your key. Now your key is downloaded. Okay, allows access to your cloud resources, so store it securely. So Google never recommend to use your downloaded keys. Okay, but they just provide you option so that you can have a proper authentication, or you can use this for authentication. Now keys are downloaded. Okay, so I don't have any organization policy, but I want my organizations should not have this security risk, and no one should be able to download the service account keys. So what I will do now, this policies, organization policy, can be applied at the capture level. Okay, here also you can apply it, or it can be applied at the folder level. If I go R&D, it can be applied to folder level, or this can be applied to the project level. So you can apply at the all the level, but if you are applying at the higher level, it will just inherit it to the lower level. Now in my organization currently this policy is not active. It means it is not active in the folder, it is not active in the project as well. But now I want to enforce this policy only on this specific project ttdev002. I want to enforce only on the specific project. So I have to override what is written in my parent resource. So parent resource, it means for this project parent is my folder, and for folder parent is organization. So for the complete organization this policy is not available, or it is not created or not active, so anyone can download service account keys. But for this project I will just override parent policy, and I will just disable service account key creation only for this project, and I will add rule. Okay, enforcement on, done, and I'll just set policy. Okay, now if I go to the service account and try to download the key again, it should not allow me. Okay, because I have organization policy now which should restrict downloading a service account keys. So if I click create, so it is saying the attempted action failed, please try again later. Okay, so it will not allow, so it will just keep giving me the error. It will not allow to download a service account keys. Okay, so that is our first organization policy we are having. Now if I remove this organization policy, so if inherited parent policy, set policy, so within a few seconds it should allow again to download our keys now. Okay, so let's try again. I'll just create new key, JSON. Okay, so it will take around 1 to 2 minutes to reflect, and after 2 minutes I'll show you it will again allow us to download the keys. Let's try again now after 1 minute. Okay, and now it allowed to download a service account key again. So in this way we can work with these organization policy, which is a disable service account key creation. So hope you understood now how this organization policy works, and how we can disable a service account key creation for our organization folders or project.